on Tom's Grand Prix, Miss Amy. She's been behaving very, very well for the most part. Our passenger side window won't come back up, so I got to monkey with that here in a little bit. Her trans is leaking, as is every client TH400 in town. Nothing new, but we'll get to that in a bit. What we're doing right now is we are going to put her roller rockers on. We got a good deal from Wick because he had extra sets from when he bought a bunch of stuff for the GTO. So, yeah, away we go. What looks like some clown painted. Valve covers off. That's a little ghetto. It's a little play. Oh my god. Glad our new kit comes with push rods. I hope they're the right length. We will check and see. They're a little loose for being hydraulic. They're a little loose. There should be a little more resistance on here. So that's probably a lot of our valve train noise. So we will begin by pulling these off and seeing what we got. But you're pretty clean inside. Boys and girls, that's called an upgrade. Yep. The other good news of our kit, that's part number right there. Push rods. Comes with the correct length push rod. Much stronger. Good old Comp Cam Magnum push rod. Bitchin'. Right, so there's our Comp push rod. I lubed the tip. Got it down onto the lifter. Next step, we're going to lube this tip here. Okay. We're going to lube our spring, or our valve tip, on top of the spring. We're going to grab our comp rocker. Doing this one-handed sucks, by the way. Comp rocker. Beautimous. We're going to put a little bit more lube on our roller. We're going to lube where our ball goes. There's our ball. Going to lube this a little bit, stick it on. And there is our first comp rocker. Just a little bit of preload on the push rod, but there it is. It's a good comparison right there too. One cylinder done, 7 more to go. Coming along. Much better. This little chunk of whatever out of here. But our oil's really clean. Looks like old gasket. No biggie. Coming along though. So one thing I've noticed as I've been replacing the rockers here on Amy is behind the tip of the valve, every cylinder's had some oily metal schmutz, so to speak, from wear and not being able to basically be cleaned down. I mean, you can see it behind there as well. It's tucked behind, but oil will flow better with the new ones, and we will be golden. Passenger side done. I'm gonna run them through by hand and check each one. Then we're gonna go over the driver's side. Then we'll crank it, prime everything, and then we'll put our valve covers back on and see if she's quieter. She better be. All set. We're gonna crank it over, obviously with no spark, just so we can make sure everything's lubed. Everything does have Lucas Assembly Lube on it, but we are gonna make sure everything primes. Then we will put our valve covers back on and fire this baby up. All right, valve covers back on, plug wires where they go. We're ready to try this baby out.